Make you feel like a kid. All right, this is a DRC 9311E, a little four-wheel drive RC car. I'm just gonna rip this here at my house, take it over some ramps, show you guys what this little thing can do. At the end of the video, I'll show you everything that did come in the box. If you don't make it to the end, it does come with 2 batteries, so that's really nice. The charger, it's pretty much ready to go. All you gotta do is put 2 AA batteries in this controller. And if you've never ran an RC car, your young boy or girl never did, you can turn the speed up and down on this so it can go really slow. Bottom little dial right here. So we're gonna turn it all the way up, and maybe I'll show you how slow it does go here too. Turn this on, and then there is a button in here. Yeah, up on under this side, it's a little red button. Just hold that button in, and it turns on. Then there is lights here underneath. And I think there's lights in the front, but you're not going to see them here during the day. Nice jump there. Goes in the grass, good. For a little car, the thing rips pretty good. Oh, see that? The grass, it catches. Those tires that catch so good in the grass. Let's go down to the road. Rips out pretty good. Now I don't have brand new batteries in my remote, but that's pretty good far right there. This thing goes pretty good for a little remote control. Go right through the grass. See if I can hit the ramp like this, because it's hard when I'm, oh, see? Oh. It's hard when I'm on the side of it. Oh, look at that, I missed again. There we go. Ha! You let it, when you're going real fast, you let off the throttle, it'll turn better. Like if you've never drove an RC car, and I let off the throttle, it turns real good then. All of them are like that, just because you're going so fast. Unless you're in dirt. There we go. Let's see if I can ramp head on right into me. Ooh, nice. Whoa! That's a nice one. I think I wrote. Ooh, good one. It's easier when it's facing me. Ooh, nice. Huh. I'm getting better at this. Ah, let's see if I can go over the ramp in reverse. Oh, almost wrecked again. When you go over the ramp, you let off the throttle. That way you don't over rotate. Up. Oh, there we go. I love it. This thing's fun. Make you feel like a kid. All right, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. And let me show you what comes in the box. All right, you do get a little charging cable, and there's already a 1 battery in it, and then this is the second battery. You get a little brush to clean it off with, a little wrench, you get a little screwdriver, and some extra little clips. That's it. Thanks for watching.